Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm at again back with Meesho haul, and this time I've got beautiful necklaces for you guys, and I'm planning on different content as well, so I'll be coming up with those videos as well very soon. And I also sell American diamond necklaces, earrings and some gold plated jewelries in my website shinysaga.com. If you're interested to buy, I'll provide the link in my video description box. You can check them out. And having said that, let's start the video. Before that, if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, the first product which I'm gonna show you guys is a gold plated necklace. And by the way, I've cut my hair, guys. Let me know how is it in the comment section. This is how the first product looks like. I mean, I really like the quality of this particular neck piece. You can see they have given beautiful pendant here with this stone work. Looks beautiful, and I really like this design. Looks very different, and I'll also put up a try on video. You guys can see how this necklace looks like, but I really like the quality. Let me show you the earrings. This is how the earrings looks like. And by the way, some of you asked for the links of the products in the comment section. So I always provide the product links in the description box. Please check them out. And sometimes what happens, the products go out of stock and I have to search the similar product and then provide the links for those products. So sometimes the product look little different from the actual stuff, but I cannot help it because it goes out of stock. I cannot find the actual product. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is 632 rupees, and I feel like this particular neck piece is very beautiful. You can wear it with saris. It looks really amazing. You can definitely wear it to any function because the quality is really nice. You can definitely go for it. Let's move on to the next one. The next product which I'm gonna show you guys, I got it in this box. Okay, I have like two products inside this box. The first one is this, and these two are like gold plated necklace. I think I ordered mostly like, no, I have some American diamond necklaces as well. So this is the next product. It's very lightweight, guys. It's not heavy at all. And look at this, it looks so beautiful. I really like the design. They have given like gold plating design here, and also you get some stones. Really good necklace. Looks beautiful. There's no earrings for this. It's just necklace. Let me tell you guys what is the price. Of this particular neck piece is 488 rupees, and when you buy through Google Pay or Phone Pay, they'll give you some more discount. This particular neck piece is very lightweight. You can definitely go for it, but they have not given earrings with this. I don't know why, but you can pair any other maroon color stone earrings with this particular jewelry. Definitely you can go for it. The quality is nice and it's very flexible as well, you guys can see, and it's very easy to carry, very lightweight. Okay, let's see what we have next. The next one is this one. This is also again a gold plated necklace. This is how the next neck piece looks like. Beautiful design. I just love this, and you can wear this like a choker. It looks beautiful, and they have also given a earrings with this, which is a plus point. And I really like how the jewelry looks like. It has a beautiful design. I'll put up a try on video also, you guys can see, but if you wear it like a choker, it looks beautiful. I think this is like a choker itself. um, Let me show you the earrings. Earrings are like very small. This is how the earrings looks like. price of this particular neck piece is 395 rupees. It's quite affordable and the quality looks really nice. If in case you guys are interested, definitely you can go for it, and I'll provide the product links in the description box. You can check them out. And let's see what we have next. The next one, I got it in this box. There are 4 products inside this box. Okay, the first product is one of my favorite, guys, and it looks beautiful. And this is like a American diamond necklace. Just look at this. Wow. I mean, it looks so beautiful, and look at the shine, guys. The quality is very good. If in case you guys are interested, go for it right now, because this will go out of stock anytime. And don't ask me for the links later, guys, because I think this is from the brand Zebayish. I'm not really sure. I don't see the branding anywhere in this, but I'll provide the link, or I will check right now like which brand it is. But if it is Zebayish, it will go out of stock very soon. If in case you guys like this one, go for it. The quality looks beautiful, and you guys can also check out my try on video to see like how this product looks like on me, and then if you like it, go for it. So this is how the jewelry looks like. I just love the jewelry quality, guys. I think bride can also wear this. It looks very good. You can see the quality. It has very good shine. Earrings also look so pretty. Just look at this. It looks like a dancing doll to me. Beautiful necklace and earrings. Let me see what is the price. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is 1446 rupees. If in case you guys like this product, definitely go for it, guys. The quality is very good, and before it goes out of stock, grab this product. It looks amazing. The quality is very good, and even you'll not get at this price anywhere, guys. I'm very sure. This product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is little simple. This is how the next product looks like. Again, this particular neck piece quality is really nice, and you can see the shine. They have used really nice stone on this. These are like American diamond, not the original one, guys. These are like duplicate ones. This is how the earrings looks like. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is 1037 rupees, and when you buy through Google Pay or Phone Pay, they'll give you some more discount. Definitely you can go for it. They have like 2 more colors. One is in white color, one is in red color. Definitely you can go for it. The quality is really nice. And let's see what we have next. Product is also one of my favorite. Let me show you guys. It looks amazing, guys. And by the way, this is not from the brand Zebayish, because they mentioned their brand on the picture, but this is not from the brand, from that brand. And there are like 4 products inside this box. This is how the next product looks like. Amazing, guys. I just love the design. Just look at this. Looks so pretty, and my nail polish is matching with this color. I just love this one, guys. Just look at this. Wow, amazing quality. And they have given like maroon color stone with white stone. Definitely you can buy this one, guys, and looks so pretty. I'm feeling like wearing this right now. You can wear this with any saris or dresses. It looks really amazing. If you're getting married, if you're a bride, definitely you can go for this. The quality looks really nice. If you're looking for like affordable neck pieces for your wedding or functions, I think this is a really good option. Definitely you can go for it. It's all like within 2000 rupees, guys. I don't think it's like too pricey. Let me tell you the price. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is 1781 rupees, and I feel like it's quite reasonable for this product because you will not get at this price, guys, anywhere, because the quality looks so good, and it's quite big as well. It looks beautiful, and I'll also put up a try on video. You guys can see how the product looks like. I really like the quality of this one. Let's see what we have next. Oh, okay. I did not show you the earrings. This is how the earrings looks like. Amazing quality, guys. This is the next one, and this one also looks very pretty. You guys should thank me, guys, because I always get amazing collection for you guys. And this is how the next product looks like. I mean, just look at this. I'm in love with this product, guys, and I have no words to say. It's amazing, amazing, and I really like, you know, design of this particular neck piece. I haven't got anything like this before. Looks so pretty. This is how the earrings looks like. The price of this particular neck piece is 1500 rupees, and if in case you guys are interested in this stuff, I'll provide the product links in the description box, and they have like 4 more colors in this. Definitely you can go for it, and I would say, like, if in case you guys like this products, go for it right now before it goes out of stock. That is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload our next video, take care. Bye bye.